As a late investor, I have a simple, actionable goal. Putting $200 a month into my dividend portfolio, focusing on monthly cash flow. Today, we're looking at my current $11,956 portfolio to see how close I am to that $1,000 annual dividend goal. The result? I'm currently at $364.19 in annual dividend income. But more than the number, I want to show you what patience and consistency look like. I started this investing journey 5 years ago. In fact, June 2021. And the momentum is finally shifting. Adding money consistently and reinvesting every dividend is what grows that snowball. Let's go ahead and look at the June payouts from 2021 to now to see how it's grown. June 2021, $3.58. June 2022, $8.09. June 2023, $8.55. June 2024, $14.09. June 2025, $61.83. And now, June 2026, $95.30. Nearly $100 in a single month. That just goes to show you it doesn't matter your age. You can start your retirement investing now in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, and the money will grow. Let's break down the stock contributors that gave me that $95.30. So I'm first going to be talking about my monthly contributors that are all in my Roth IRA. And the reason that I do have them in my Roth IRA is because those are pre-tax. So the dividends that I get, I don't pay any taxes on them. The full amount is going back into that position, which is growing that snowball even faster.
Tax-free growth is the secret sauce. Don't let the IRS touch our wheel.
Okay, the first one that we're going to be talking about is JEPI, which is a little over a share. And the dividend yield is 10.07%. And I got 75 cents for that one. Okay, next one is Realty. And I'm a little over 6 shares. The dividend yield, 5.40%. And I got $1.69. My next one is Maine. In Maine, I have a little over 30 shares. Dividend yield is 6.30%. And that one I actually got 2, which was one of the reasons why I love Maine. I had one dividend, $7.88 on June 16th. And another one that will be coming up of $9.14, which is their special dividend. And actually, Maine is my baby when it comes to all my monthly payers. It's the first one I started. And one of the main reasons, besides it just being a strong company, is I love getting that extra dividend amount, and that's quarterly. So it pays monthly, but every 3 months you get a special dividend. My next one, which is my big hitter, is SPYI. And I have a little over 78 shares with a dividend yield of 11.84%. And for that one, I almost got half of the amount just coming from this one alone on that dividend income because I got $41.50. Now, I do put the most into SPYI, and that is to reach that goal, this little specific goal for this one, which is $1,000 in annual income just in that one alone. And so I'm just kind of working to that. And then once I do reach that goal, where I'm at right now, $490, I will be moving that money to JEPI to then continue to grow that one faster. Okay, and then the next one that's in my Roth is this newest one, TOPW, a little over 1 share. And dividend yield is really outrageous, 58.29%. And that's why you'll see that I only have 1 share. This is my experiment one. And right now I have gotten, and I've only had this for about 2 or 3 weeks now. And I have a total of 85 cents already in that. It is a weekly payer, but it is my experiment. And I'll be sharing more information with you on that one. And then once I hit a month, I'm going to give an update. So definitely keep an eye and ear out for that one.
This TOPW experiment is wild. Stay tuned, folks. Science is in progress.
Okay, now we're going to go to my investing part of the portfolio. So the first one here is T-Mobile, and I have a little over 3 shares. My dividend yield, 2.25%. And I did get $3.40 for dividends in that one. And then for Google, which you can see I'm not even at 1 share yet. It's just growing very slowly. It's one that I got pretty recent. And so just putting a little bit of money in there. And the dividend yield, 0.24%. And then for Google, I did get a nickel. But hey, you got to start somewhere, right? Next one is JXI, which I got a little over 1 share. Dividend yield, 2.71%. And for JXI, I did get $1.57. With JXI, they only pay twice a year, once in June and once in December. So if you decide that you want to get something like JXI, just be aware of that. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Next one, VNQ, a little over 6 shares. Dividend yield, 3.65%. And for VNQ, I got $5.55. And VNQ is just a nice steady one to have, as an ETF. It's just one that you don't have to worry about. And then my last one to talk about is Schwab. I'm a little over 89 shares. Dividend yield, 3.23%. I did get $22.92 in dividends. And so when it comes to Schwab, just like on the Roth side where I'm really building SPYI, on the investing side, I'm building Schwab. That's my primary focus. Seeing this progress is what keeps me motivated to keep adding money consistently and reinvesting my dividends. I am working towards supplemental retirement income, and so I'm hoping that this will inspire you to either start your financial journey or continue with it.
Consistency is what keeps the wheels spinning. You've got this.
Whether you're working like me for supplemental income or no, you're able to put a whole lot more in there, so it's going to be your retirement income. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, definitely check out my playlist, Dividend Investing for Beginners and Late Starters. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, bye.